In this brief video tutorial, we show you step by step how the Career Navigator works. This is your start screen. Each ball stands for a job profile. You can navigate in two ways. The first method is to click a job profile. Okay, let's take Compliance Officer. Here you see a brief description of the job profile, a button to the full text of the job profile, and a few open jobs linked to the profile. Here you see the connections to other job profile. Each connection stands for a career path. If your starting position is compliance officer, there are 4 possible career paths. If the overview is a bit unclear or messy, you can drag any ball to any other place, like this. Let's explore the path from compliance officer to data protection officer. Here you see the career path, and here on this page there's a full description of the difference in work activities: compliance officer, data protection officer, any additional skills you need, and any education. These pages are all in Dutch. Here you go back to the main screen. If you see 2 arrows on the link, for example here, there are career paths in both directions. The red numbers refer to the number of open jobs linked to a job profile. So for compliance officer, there are 12 open jobs on securitytalent.nl. Another example. Let's first reset the tool. Let's assume you want to know what the career opportunities are for a security manager. Let's view the one to ICT security manager. Here you see the additional education you need to get a bachelor in ICT, which might be required for an ICT security management position. The first method shows all the direct career path, a straight line from A to B. We have more than 100 direct career paths based on more than 40 job profiles. So much for the first method. In the second method, we use the drop-down list I am and I want to be. Let's assume you are a security guard and you want to become a security manager. You can only reach your destination via a security consultant or integral safety and security expert. You can only link at 1 arrow at the time. There's no direct connection here. The entire path may involve more than 1 intermediate stop. For example, if you are an ICT security specialist 1 and you want to become a Chief Information Security Officer, a CISO, which is quite an ambition, there are 3 stops in between, and that makes sense. First, you have to move to ICT Security Specialist 2 at bachelor level, and then via ICT Security Manager, or you have to move to ICT Security Specialist 3 and then to ISO. You can use the plus and the minus buttons to zoom in and out. You can click the reset button at any time to reset the tool to its default settings, or switch from the first method to the second method. And once you're on a career page, you can always return to the main screen via the Go Back button top right. This is the end of the video tutorial. Enjoy your navigating journey, and of course you're more than welcome to explore the other pages of securitytalent.nl.